Hello, this is EV3 Trade Signal Ideas in association with Forex Fox, and this presentation is how the market's set up for the week ahead for Friday, July 9th, 2021. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the US dollar index and trigger flows on FX, equities, commodities, and cryptos, and finally ending it up with two trade ideas. With regards to the US dollar index, just quickly, we've got this rates and commodity composite and its subsequent model. It is bearish right now in the US dollar index. Nice performance year to date, and currently with US dollar index breaking down through trendline support from the past month. The setup here is bearish the US dollars for the time being. Following that up on the trigger flow indicators for the FX, we're seeing a bullish divergence with the euro. We're seeing a bullish divergence with sterling. We're in a neutral territory for dollar yen and neutral for the reflation cross Aussie yen. So overall, euros and sterling look negative US but positive those respective currencies. With regards to the equities, the TFIs, somewhat more of a mixed bag. We're looking at bearish divergence relative to the US 30. Nice spike up obviously here today to week's end, but still not following it up with the trigger flow index. And again, if you're interested in learning more about the trigger flow index, you can go to my YouTube channel at EV3 Trade Signal Ideas, and I've got a tutorial on it there. Following up here in the TFI in line in the NASDAQ 100, pretty much in line with the S&P 500 and bearish against the UK 100 or the FTSE 100. Now the trigger flow indicators on commodities, go through here quickly. Gold is bearish, so bearish against spot gold in US. Likewise, bearish against gold based in euros. Bearish somewhat in US oil, and bearish in silver here. And finally, on the trigger flow indicator side on the cryptos, we're looking here in the Bitcoin. Nice break of this trend line from the past month. So I would say it's a bullish tone for Bitcoin, bullish likewise for Litecoin, bullish for Ethereum, and I would say bearish for Ripple. So bullish, 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 and bearish for Ripple. So finally, we're going to close off on two trade ideas. The first one here is the lead indicator against commodity cross Aussie Canada. The fit has been great going back to October of last year. And the current idea is bullish, as it looks like it wants to rally into the end of August, beginning of September. Here are the trade details, so you can freeze the screen and have a look at that more detailed. Secondly, on the second trade, which brings in the Aussie Canada, if you don't want to do that by itself, this is a very nice trade, pairs long-short trade, that is Aussie Canada against gold based in Aussie. And you can see a very wide and growing bullish divergence from its TFI. So that alone stands out as a nice trade. And here again are the trade parameters that you can freeze the screen and have a look-see at that. Anyway, if you like this kind of analysis, you're welcome to join me for a 7-day free trial at Forex Fox. And the link to that is community.forexfox.com. Thanks a lot and have a nice weekend. Take care.